Oledo! Oledo!
Your Majesty.
Where's my son?
He's in his room.
Get him.
Okay, Your Majesty.
With all this, why are we still working on making her son the king?
We will find ourselves in difficult situations if the king dies, because her son ruling is equal to her being in charge.
That wouldn't be fair, no, that wouldn't be fair. I fear the fate of this kingdom if we lose our king.
Well, we are humans. Let the will of the gods be done.
My queen, this is win-win for you. Are you asking me how? My dear, this is an opportunity for your son to become the next king of this kingdom. And an opportunity for you to lay hands on your husband's assets. My God, this is too good. You know what? It is now left for you to train him. Make sure he succeeds. Are you confused? Ask questions and be informed. Unless you're planning to shoot yourself on the leg. That's it. Ask questions and be informed. And this is a golden opportunity. Remember, tomorrow could be too late. That's it, my queen. Woo! I'm coming over for celebration. Woo!
Now listen to me. When you get there, I didn't want you to be scared of anything. All I want you to do for me is to succeed in cutting that rope that is holding the ram.
What if it bites me?
Oh, come on. Like I said earlier, rams doesn't bite great men. And you are a great man. Believe me, don't be scared. All I want you to do is just succeed in cutting the rope. That's all.
Okay, Mom. I hope the knife will be sharp.
Extremely sharp.
If the ram bites me, I will stab it with the knife.
Oh, please, no. Do not stab. Don't. All I want you to do is just cut the rope and that's all. Alright? It won't bite you.
Okay, Mom.
That's my darling. Come here, sweetheart.
Thanks, Mom. I love you.
You know I love you more.
Come. Come and cut it. When it's tired and bats. When a journey or fights. Without asking what killed his father. What killed his father will surely kill him. Got it!
I thought they said the knife would be sharp.
Got it!
Hey, Lola. You mean he didn't cut the rope? Hey, why? Okay, you know what? I'm coming to the palace tomorrow.
Nine, what is the next phase of this kingdom?
We have not reached that stage. Our major worry is the king. His health is in doubt.
Does it mean he will die?
If nothing is done,
What if he dies? Who becomes the next king of this kingdom?
That is why he must not die.
So what is the next step for this kingdom to take?
We have a cabinet meeting tomorrow. Then a possible solution will be decided.
This Igwe's health is getting out of hand.
Seriously.
I just pray he survives it though.
Oh.
Wise one. What is the cause of the prince's inability to complete the ritual?
The gods are silent.
Wise one. If the ghosts will remain silent in a time like this, what then are we going to do as humans?
Something is wrong in the palace.
And what is it?
In due time, the gods will unveil the solution.
Yeah, well. Yeah, I hear you. Anyways. Yes, I heard you.
My queen, I greet you.
It's alright.
My queen, we have a meeting in a few minutes. I came earlier so that I could speak with the king first. But the guard said you gave order that I should not be permitted to see him. Why?
That's because I am his wife. I am charged with the responsibility of assuring his safety, especially in times like this.
But he is our king, and I am his prime minister.
That doesn't change the fact that you are an outsider. By the way, what do you even want to discuss with him?
A lot. I have so many questions to ask him.
He won't be able to answer your questions.
But, my queen, please, can I still see him now? I was with the king a few minutes ago.
Did you tell him about the new developments?
That was my intent. But unfortunately, our king can no longer speak. I doubt if he even listens.
What? Has his condition become that critical?
Unfortunately, the order placed by the Lord has made many fail to witness the condition of our king.
Oh no, we are men in council and we are here now. Why not we go and see our king?
The tyrant will not allow that. Except she is present.
Oh no, we have nothing to hide. All we want is to see our king.
Exactly.
Yes.
She can be present.
Yes.
Of course.
Let her come with us.
Yes. He's our king. And we are the custodian of our tradition. We have every right to go and see our king.
Exactly.
We do something.
The Europe of our kingdom. Where did he get this strength?
Jim, I can't believe that our king is passing through this.
It is heartbreaking. And I watch. But I assure you, it will be fine.
Enough, please. I have granted your request by allowing you to come in and see the Igwe. Am I not too kind? I am a kind woman. So I suggest you all leave now while he continues with his rest. Out. It's your red. Get out. Onowu, what are you still waiting for? Get up!
You will be fine.
You're way too kind, you're way too kind. You will be well again, Your Majesty.
Does it mean our king is more likely to die?
No. He has a better chance of survival.
In this condition?
I doubt. Sorry to say, our king is very close to his grave. Especially now that the solution the gods provided failed.
Of course.
But they came with another solution.
Another solution?
Yes.
Which is?
Ezemo was in my compound yesterday.
Onowu, the solution we seek is staring on our faces, not too far away, but closer.
Wise one. You just made contradictory statements. Something that is close cannot be far from each other.
Onowu, the spiritual controls the physical. It contradicts the mind of carnal man, but clear to the spiritual.
Wise one.
Onowu,
what is the solution we seek?
the missing prince must be found to perform the ritual before the next 7 days.
Oh, Chumo, the prince went missing for a long time. Where do we go and find him for him to perform the ritual in 7 days? Where?
Exactly my thought. The time limit is not encouraging.
That is more like an impossible task.
Now I understand what he meant by the solution is near but far.
Are we all thinking in the same direction?
Not until you tell us what you are thinking.
Okay. With that statement, near but far, my understanding is that the prince might be somewhere around us because we don't know where he is. That makes it far.
That might be true.
Yes, you are right.
In that case, I will inform the town crier to carry the news around the community. That anyone who knows the whereabouts of the prince should let us know. So that we don't start beating about the bush looking for what is right under our nose.
Oh no, this is a valid suggestion.
I will know who's a man of wisdom.
Our king cannot just die like that.
Long as we are the custodian of our tradition, we must die like that.
So, no, I came in respect of the announcement made last night by the town crier.
About the missing prince?
Yes, no.
Do you know where he is?
Yes, I do, no.
Some say we know well, some say we dey sick. We dey make noise and do body like say we dey craze. We dey drive our helicopter for our house, and we dey like to wear our bandana for our head. They say we dey mad, they say we dey craze. Anybody wey say our head no correct, na him dey craze. We no dey mad, and we no dey craze. Anybody wey say our head no correct, na him dey craze. We go carry leg go America, throw away dirty. When we come back, we go Aso Rock, buy Gary.
How may I help you?
I just saw you give those two mad people food. Do you know them?
No,
How come you're giving them food?
because my madam always give me food in the morning, afternoon, and night to serve them.
Sorry, who is your madam?
Madam Agnes.
And what does she do?
She sells restaurants.
Where, please?
At my father's village.
Please, I just want to know, please, okay? Hello?
And who's that feeds him?
No, she refused to explain further. And she walked away.
Why did you not tell anyone?
No, some things are better left unsaid.
Why do you think so?
No, you and I know that the life of the king depends on it. And that's why I came with my friend. Because he's familiar with that area.
Yes or no?
Who are you?
My name is Ezechukwu. I'm the son of late Mazi Okafor.
Amadi Okafor of blessed memory. And now for the prince. Can you take me there now?
Yes or no? I'm not familiar with the place.
Good. Just hold on. Let me put on my cap. Neka! Neka!
Yes, Papa.
Please bring me my cap and my beads.
Okay, Papa.
Please hurry up.
No. No.
I'll be back. You are doing something. Okay.
Don't be late though.
This is a palace issue.
Okay.
I'll go back.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh no, they're here.
There?
Yes, in this uncompleted building.
Okay.
That's where they're staying.
Let's go get the prince.
How do we get him? Can we get him alone?
No, I doubt.
Then let's try whatever we have to try. Let's try first. If we couldn't, we'll take the two.
Yeah, two of them, they have been living here for so long for my investigation. So I think if we have to take them, we have to take the two together. Because I believe the prince will never leave them without the girl.
It's okay.
Then let us just do whatever is possible. If it means taking the two, let us take them.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Let us try. Get inside the car. Let's go and try it.
Oh, I need to check you for breast cancer. You have to be checked for breast cancer because you are... Wait, what's going on? Who is this?
We are living here.
Who? What?
We are living here.
What is going on? Who are this?
My priest, let's go.
Who are this?
Please be careful with the
Let's go.
No, I have a patient.
Somebody!
Let's go.
I have a patient.
help!
What?
I said be careful with the prince.
I am a doctor of Jupiter with repute. You understand? I don't understand. Are you there? Are you there? Okay. Are you taking me to another laboratory?
Yes.
Is taking me to another laboratory? Okay. What a wonderful green car. What a wonderful green car.
Help him.
I remember this car can go under the sea over 6 billion feet. Now you see it automobile. It's one that you have to, you understand? It's one.
Oh no, let's go.
This is the height of it. Gladys, all that I labored for, all that I worked for is gradually going down the drain.
But how could you have endorsed that they bring him back?
I never did. I was not even aware.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I'm confused. Honestly. What I'm thinking of right now is just how the king will recover. Yes, so I can lay my hands on the assets. That's all. I want my son. I want my son to become the king of this kingdom.
And killing your stepson is not even an option. Because as it is now, he is still the only solution to the king's ailment. Remember?
Gladys, honestly speaking, I am confused. If I don't, I will lose everything. Everything.
I don't know why I keep having this feeling that he won't succeed. Yes, come on, he's insane. How can they get him to perform the ritual? So you can see that your son still stands a chance. So cheer up.
Greetings, mouth of the gods. I
know he's back. Prepare him in the next 3 days for the ritual.
He is still insane. He is not with his senses.
I know.
So how then can he perform the ritual?
You have done your part as human. Allow the gods to do theirs.
No. Stop it. Stop. See? Now, you understand. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? You better touch. Now, pigmentations on your skin can never lead to what a crown. What a crown. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, my stethoscope not here. Who is the female Homo sapien?
Oh, my cute.
Touch me not! Touch me not!
You are tasty.
Thank you very much!
Oh, drink. You are tasty. Drink. Better you can fall now.
Drink? Liquid? Hold on!
What is this?
River.
Shut up! Mad people! And you! You idiot! You think you can waste my effort? My effort!
She's jealous of our love. You are jealous of our love. Thank you very much. Okay, now you see 5 rivers flow. That is Limpopo. That is the Red Sea, River Nile, and the local one, Ojimbembe River.
I have tried several times in killing that boy. But that mad girl he came back with keeps saving him all the time.
Lord, get rid of her.
Get rid of her? Is it necessary? Come on.
Okay, even if you don't want to kill her, send her away from the palace.
I have tried. I have tried several times, but all to no avail. Olisa keeps coddling the girl. Sleeps with her, eats with her, bathes with her. Maybe they will die together.
Lord, can you give him calcium? Try harder. Okay, try other means. And then sure, you're still training your son. Because I don't see the possibility of a madman performing that ritual. Yes.
Some say we know well, some say we dey sick. We dey make noise and do body like say we dey grace. We dey drive our helicopter for our house, and we dey like to wear our bandage for our head.
You see this man here? He has on the tree, and this one right here has what we call yes. Thank you very much. Now, call me doctor, please. I don't know any other name, but my female Homo sapien here will tell you better. Thank you very much. Yes.
Nothing hard for madness. We don't pay tax for your parents.
Hello. 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 May I proceed?
We got them mad and we got them crazy. Anybody will say our head no correct in the place. They say we them mad. They say we them crazy. Anybody will say our head no correct in the place. We got them mad and we got them crazy.
My prince.
I don't have time for pleasantries, okay? So I need you to answer this simple, very, very simple question, okay? Where did those chiefs take me to? And why am I wearing this? Why am I wearing this? Why am I in white? What is going on? What have they used me for?
I don't know. I don't know. Calm down.
Huh? You don't know? Because I know for sure one of them is your uncle. Yes. Chionuma is your uncle. You know that? So you must know something. So tell me right now, what is going on? You don't know. You don't know. No, you're going to tell me what is going on. Else. You come here. Come here right now. Where? Oluchi, Noma, tell me, where did those men take me to? Noma, Oluchi, what is going on? What is going on? Where did those men take me to? Where did they and why am I wearing this?
I have no idea.
Why am I wearing this?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. You like to gossip, okay? You like to gossip, so you know something. So can you just talking now? Start talking this minute. Else something's going to happen. Trust me when I say that. No, you want punishment from me?
No,
you want punishment from me? Now, tell me something I don't know. Right? Yes, there you are. Yes. Why am I wearing this? Why am I wearing this? Huh? Why am I in white with you? Have I ever dressed the same way with you people before? So what is really going on? What have you used before? Huh?
Oblangatam. This is a choo-choo.
Oh no! Listen, this is the insane person I met not long ago. You. Huh? You shut up. Why did you bring this thing here? Huh? Why did you bring this thing here? An insane person? You bring the person into the palace? Is this what our kingdom has come to? Don't tell me to calm down! Look, where were you? Where were you when this happened? If you two want to keep a job, if you two want to still keep a job, if you two want to still keep a job, you two want to keep a job, take this thing away from here and in my little kindness, take her to a psychiatric hospital. This minute! Take her away! Move her away! I have too much respect for you. Please tell me what you have done with me. Why am I dressed like this? What is going on? And why would you bring an insane person here? Ichioduma, talk to me. I don't know why you're smiling because this smiles, I'm not feeling it at all. What is going on? Ichiazubo, please talk to me. What is going on? What is going on? Ichielobunso. Of course I know you. I've always known you. I've always known you since I was a child. So please, can you talk to me? What is going on? What have you used before? I know this is no time for any coronation. So why am I wearing this? What is going on? Listen, I'm going to tell my father what. I don't know what you two are planned with my father. I don't know, but I will tell him what is going on, okay? My father is not me. I am not my father. You must explain to me why I'm wearing this. If not, this kingdom will not enter all of us.
You know you himself. Even know all of us. Hello.
This is serious. This sounds mad person. Look at this madman. Look at this madman. Will you stop that nonsense? Enough of that. What's wrong with you?
You mean, Mama?
I am not mad.
You're not mad.
Yes, sir.
That is how you people say. Whereas you're mad, but don't worry, you will be well.
Trust me, I am not mad. I'm not insane like them.
Don't worry. Let me go and get your drugs.
Oh no, you can't be injecting me or giving me drugs that belongs to mad people. I am not. Okay, please, can you help me call my father? I need him to get me out of this place. Please help me call my father. I need to get out of this place.
Can you call your father's number?
Yes. 090.
No. Okay, continue, yes.
666 55 651.
Can you repeat it again? Repeat the number again.
090 666 55 651.
641
651.
651.
Hey, Mom.
My cute stepson. Okay.
Good.
Can I join you?
It's your house.
Yes. Why not?
My pleasure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Honestly, I'm excited you are well again. Believe me, this palace has been boring without you.
No. One thing I don't understand is everybody's saying I'm fine now, because last time I checked, I have been okay and I'm happy to be in this palace right now. Thank you.
It's alright. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Alright then. When you're hungry, I will instruct the maids to get you something to eat.
Thank you very much.
Can I have a word with you?
Go on. I'm all ears.
You know the celebration where the king in waiting presents his bride-to-be to the kingdom is forthcoming. And the elders are worried because they haven't seen you with any woman lately.
Well, of course I know about that celebration, but the elders' worry is quite considerable because I don't have any woman in my life, so no woman to marry yet.
I can get you one. Or even more.
Yeah?
Why not? I am your stepmom. Come on.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, which, you know, brings me to my own question. I've asked everybody in this palace. Every single person I have asked. And nobody has come up with an answer. But I trust you will give me one. You sure?
I will.
You promise?
Oh, come on. I am your mother. I will.
That shrine, you know, the shrine I went to, you know, the shrine the elders and the Ezemo took me to. Yeah, what was that shrine? For what did I go there? I mean, what was that for?
You know, that is the ritual you have to do before you become the king of this kingdom. Yes. And you have completed it. What is left now is from me? Like I'm insane? So you don't believe I'm not mad? Daddy, your daughter is not mad. You're running from me, your daughter. Daddy, haven't I been calling you on the phone? I'm not mad. Look, I'm not like them. I'm not mad. Your daughter is not insane.
Who gave you my phone number? I know she was mad. Oh, my daughter cannot be mad.
Not like those you see. Stop, be careful. Stop it. No.
There will be no need for any private words. I was never mad. And
my love, please. Just calm down. I will take you out of here. Let me just do their job. Whatever I want to hear is what I don't know. But let them take, they'll take care of you. Whoa! Whoa!
Ah!
are they?
Officer, amongst them is your possible bride.
I guess this is with regards to what we discussed earlier.
Exactly. Let's take a good look at them.
You're beautiful.
That's because I am an epitome of beauty. So I know one when I see them.
But of course, you do understand it's not only beauty, but character defines a true being.
Oh, just, I know all that. Relax. Those girls will be spending some time with us. At least for you to get to know them better. For you to make your choice.
Well,
bad boy. Bad boy. It's alright. Ladies, come with me, please.
If I say to my friends,
Let me get your injection. Please, I'm coming. Stop.
Hey, keep her there, keep her there. Keep her there. Well, she doesn't look it.
She's very calm.
I don't think so.
She's calm.
No, don't tell me that. She's not calm.
She's not hostile.
Listen, what am I doing here, okay? What do I have to do with all of this, okay? What do I have to do with this?
Please, calm down. See, ever since she was admitted, she kept on saying